Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So one filter is actually good, but what if you want a brighter eyes, plumper lips, smoother skin, and actually another warmer color tone all in the same photo? So applying multiple filters in FaceApp isn't as simple as just checking them uh, on top of each other. So if you do that, you will get muddy colors, lost texture, and that dreaded plastic look. But there is a right way to do it. According to the official FaceApp blog, the measure was created specifically before, or even because we had FaceApp features used like a single mask that changed your whole face at once. So you never had the tools to actually change your lips, like this one here, or even change your style. So what they had is one filter that would change the whole picture. But as for today, we have multiple options, we have multiple things to do. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to apply multiple filters in FaceApp fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we want to start with your base filter. Apply your foundational filter first. This might be an impression filter like Kiss for lips or Spark for skin smoothing. Don't worry about other features yet. Focus on one improvement at a time. Use the eraser to isolate the effect. According to the official blog, the key to multiple features is the eraser tool. After applying your first filter, use the eraser to keep only the facial area you want to retain. Then merge to lock in your edit and repeat for each additional filter. So that's basically the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.